Yeah, no big deal, you know, just bolting in the subframe for a 06 Chrysler 300 with a HEMI on it into a 73 Duster. Yeah, this doesn't belong in here. I made it belong in here though. The rough test fit of our brake box for a pedal setup. That's where that's gonna live. Got it all mocked up there. Just barely clears the back coil over mount. We tack it in, I guess. Got the bracket on the back. Got our pedals. So I just made this block off plate for the bottom of the driver's side cowl. Used the old vent, took the seal off of it, measured out some holes, some sealant around the edges, and we're just gonna bolt it in there, and it's gonna stay in there forever. Because that's we had to remove that so our pedal box will fit. It's going right up there to cover this. This hole right here has got to be blocked off, or it's just going to be blowing wind every time we drive the car. So, good thing we thought about that, right? So we got that all in there, all sealed up and good to go. Ready to install the brake box, basically. Anyways, not bad. Not good. Good enough. We're going to coat this with some stuff, because once we put it in, these top parts are not going to be accessible. We don't have to do it all. Basically, we just got to do this top part and in this crack here, and probably just around here on the top quarter, and then after, when we redo the firewall on the other side, the outside will get painted. When we do this rear part and the inside, it will all just get painted after. So we just got to do this top bit. Anyways, let's do it. The rough pedal setup there, power brakes, electronic gas pedal. Recessed power brakes up here. Got a bunch more work to do up here still, with a ton of work. Just put the airbag on. Let's see if we can get the steering wheel off here. Ooh, surprised that actually worked. You need like a breaker bar and somebody to give you a hand and do these Next day, doing more test fitting. Subframe basically sitting pretty happy. We'll deal with that later, but right now, kinda got a seat sitting in here, the dash. Working on the steering shaft. I gotta shorten it a little bit. I'm gonna try and still use the adjustable steering. It's like power adjustable, and look, made by Mercedes-Benz. Yeah, and where'd that come out of? 2006 Chrysler 300. Oh yeah, boy. Test fit some seats in there, some dash, some pedals, figuring out the telescope. Boop, boop, boop. Oh man, is this even gonna work? Shorten the steering shaft, put some Loctite on the bolt, bolt it back together, a few inches shorter. Hopefully that does the trick. So we got the firewall all kind of laid out, drawn out, some holes. Just gonna remake the brake box here nice and perfect. That's all gonna end up being the firewall. Tight.
Yeah.